Hawaii is unlike any other place in the world. Our ecosystems, wildlife, and environment can't be replaced. And we're already losing them. Hawaii is the endangered species capital of the world. Homes are falling into the ocean. Rising seas are threatening $19 billion worth of assets here. Globally, we've lost around half of the world's coral reefs. And in Hawaii, coral reefs sustain everything else, from our food security, to healthy oceans, to our ocean economy, and the way that we recreate.
I grew up seeing abundance, across the street from my house. I can say that it was better back in the day, and the current state that we are in, it's kind of a big warning sign to everybody that if we continue on this track, it might be very detrimental to the health of the island and the ocean.
Our coral reefs are predicted by scientists to bleach every single year by the year 2040.
Our ocean economy supports 16% of jobs here, which makes up $18 billion in revenue annually. The way that tourists use the environment here is, at its worst, irresponsible, and at its best, still leaving a significant impact on everything else. They should also invest in a healthy future for Hawaii. Visitor Green Fee programs work at tourist destinations all over the world. They're a demonstrated solution.
Why does it have to be now? Why can't we do it like next year?
Well, it's not like we can do it yesterday.
The Green Fee is a wonderful concept. It's not brand new to the world. It may be new to Hawaii, but it's been tested in other places, and it's proven, to work. And I really think the time is now.
The protection of this place sustains people's livelihoods, their food systems, the places that they live, the physical landscape that they live. It's really about every person who lives here.
And we're at a point where we really have to commit everything we can to improving the health of the resources and ensuring that the impact that humans are having on it is kept to a minimum.
A green fee would ensure that Hawaii's ocean resources are protected with the best available information, the best science, and the best management policies.
Our biggest priority is really to educate the visitors, and everybody for that matter, that comes here, is to treat our resources with respect.
Getting them to expand their mindset on what Hawaii actually is and means to us.
It's not things that make things happen, it's people that make things happen.
This is our future, and we need to fight for it.
We want Hawaii to look beautiful and be green, but it doesn't happen naturally. It takes work, and all of us can contribute to it, whether physically or monetarily, in some way, to keep Hawaii the green and beautiful place that we want it to be.
If we don't act now, we might lose the opportunity to act at all. Last year, the Visitor Green Fee policy died one step away from passing. It was the closest we've ever gotten. 88% of Hawaii voters agree that tourists should pay their fair share toward our natural and cultural resources. But what if 88% of us showed up to support this year? At $50 per tourist, we could generate $400 million a year for our home. But it's going to take all of us, including you.